Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Oaks Group. Just having a clear out of old trade cars. We often, I like part exchanges, but ultimately we end up getting to a situation where we reach the end of the world, Land's End, so to speak. And this car is a fair representation of Land's End. It's 2007 07 registered, Alfa Romeo 147 Collezione JTDM 8-valve thing. 5-speed manual, done 153,000 miles, guys. It's a trade sale, part exchange to clear. It's not got an MOT. We're not going to MOT it. We're not going to finance it. It's cheap, okay, but it is horrible. Probably will sell to an Alfa breaker. I guess the wheels and the leather interior are total to what we're asking for it, but it's 153,000 miles. Someone has loved it. It's got a load of history with it, but it's no MOT. We're not financing it, and the rules of engagement are you can come down, you can have a drive of it, you can have a cup of tea, make an informed decision. If you want to take it and buy it, that's fine, but any issues or problems you have once you drive it from our site, I mean, paid for it, are your issues, not mine, okay? So I can't be any more clear than that. But we'll have a spin around the car, have a bit of chuckle about it and tell you what it's all about. So coming onto the front apron, look guys, cars have more paintwork than the Forth Bridge, yeah? And a lot of it's been done with a yard brush, so it's not brilliant, okay? Engine seems to be all right. Clutch is very heavy, and it's a bit of an adventure finding gears, but they will select ultimately. But you do have a little. It's a bit like a spoon in a bowl of custard, a little bit, yeah. Clutch is heavy, but it does drive. But you can see, look, all the paintwork. It's got loads of jet size there. That bonnet's been painted at some stage. Windscreen looks to be all right. Chippy, 153,000 miles. Looks like it's come via Afghanistan down this side. It's got loads of car parking dents. All the alloys are scuffed, but we think if they're a refurb, they're genuine Alfa wheels. That tyre is all right. Down this side, you can see it's got an ouch here. Machine gun fire down here. Took a hit there. That alloy's scuffed, marks. But it has got tan leather, guys. So add a little bit of a cappuccino Italian flair to this thing. That's missing. Found it there. Okay. It's got loads of history. Had a cam belt done at 120,000 miles. Why? I've got no idea. But there's loads of history there. Service book with a load of stamps. We've got 2 keys for it. I had a row with my girlfriend the other week, and I did take her out in this just to punish her. I'm joking, obviously. But it is what it is. Scratchy, 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 damaged wheel, needs refurbing, tyre okay. MOT running out in April, guys. You're going to spend some money getting this through an MOT, I guess. Marks down the door, various ouches. That alloy's been scuffed. That tyre looks to be pretty good. Around the back of the car, big ouch here. Okay, GB stickers thrown in. Look, my 7-year-old could do better than that. So it is what it is. We've got 2 keys for it. It does start and run 153,000 miles. Like I say, the clutch is very heavy. You've got to be an experienced campaigner to be able to navigate through the gearbox. It doesn't smoke, guys. I think that's the least of your worries. So there you go. It's cheap, it's spares and repairs, it's trade sale. You might need a trailer to pick it up. Probably going to sell to an Alfa breaker, I would guess, or somebody just wants something to mess around and put a load of money into over the weekend. There it is. Thanks for watching.